Welcome to Veggtor's Physics Classroom.
This video is sponsored by Veggtor's Eggs & Company. Fresh brown eggs for all your daily egg needs. Call us at 1-800-VEGGTOR to order your fresh eggs today.
When you slide a block down a frictionless ramp, how do you figure out how fast it's traveling right before it reaches the end? When you throw your egg into the air, how do you time when to catch it again?
Using kinematics. Kinematics is the branch of mechanics that describes the motion of objects with constant acceleration. We describe motion with three different vectors: displacement, the change in position; velocity, the change in position over time; and acceleration, the change in velocity over time.
We often solve problems using the four kinematic equations. X minus x naught equals v naught t plus 1/2 at squared, v equals v naught plus at, v squared equals v naught squared plus 2a delta x, and change in x equals 1/2 v naught plus v times t. Choose between equations based on your given and unknown variables. Make sure to list all your given quantities and the equations you will be using. First, let's strap our egg to a block and put it on a frictionless ramp with a height of 1 meter. The angle of the ramp is 30 degrees.
To solve for final velocity, we use the equation v squared is equal to v naught squared plus 2a times delta x.
Take the root of both sides to obtain v and solve for delta x using trigonometry. Since delta x is the hypotenuse, delta x equals to h divided by sine theta, which is h cosecant theta. Now you can plug in your given values.
Our final answer is 2 root 5, or 4.47 meters per second.
Remember that egg from before?
If we throw the egg directly up into the air at 5 meters per second, when do you catch the egg to prevent this tragedy? Here we use the equations to solve in the y direction. Set your hand to 0 meters and up to be positive.
Since we have our initial velocity, acceleration due to gravity, initial position, and final position, we can solve for time. Since initial and final position are both 0, they cancel out. We set v naught t plus 1/2 at squared equal to 0 and factor out a t. The two roots of this quadratic are t equals 0 and t equals negative 2v over a. To find the time at which the ball returns into your hand, plug in v and a. The answer comes out to be exactly 1 meter per second.